this even a Volvo? What's up, guys? It's Drifts and Lifts here. Welcome back to the Drifts and Lifts Epic Volvo Drift YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be freaking epic. There's going to be a lot of gravy, like more than there usually is. So we were at my man Tent Shed Trev's house, and I'm hanging out with my man Jake and Trevor here, and we're on our way to Pumpkin Smash for the weekend. So that is a drift event at Western Speedway near Victoria. So it's a 2-day event. It's going to be really fun. There's going to be tons of great cars there, and this track is really sweet. Jake brought his BMW powered Volvo 740, as you guys saw in one of my videos. So he got the fuel pump issue fixed, and this thing's ready to rock. So my good friend Trevor here has a lot of cool Volvos kicking around. He's got his Supercharged 740 sitting over here, but this car is really cool. So this is one he built. It's a Volvo 240. As you can see, it's been lifted a little bit. It has some bigger tires, and if you look at the exhaust, it looks like a little bit bigger than factory. So the really cool thing about this Volvo wagon 240 is what's under the hood. Here, I'll pop the hood for you guys. All right, so this is not a red block. This is not any Volvo motor for that matter. Trevor, you mind coming over here and telling us a little about this crazy vehicle of yours? So this is some sort of Mitsubishi motor, I guess, eh?
It is. It is a 4D56T from like a Delica van or or something.
Like those space gear ones, or the little older ones?
Yeah, the little toasters.
Yeah, okay, sweet. So this is what size of motor is this? A turbo diesel?
2.5 liter.
2.5 liter. Okay, sweet. So this is a really cool, like, all-around sort of adventure mobile.
Yeah, adventure wagon.
Yeah, adventure wagon. Go mountain biking. Get really good fuel economy. It says it makes about 30 miles per gallon, which is really cool. With the smaller tires, even a little bit better. So yeah, I don't think I've ever seen any Volvo wagon with this motor in it. You're probably the first one to do that.
I know some guys did the Volkswagen ones.
Yeah, that's right.
This one just came to me cheap, and
there you go.
Like, oh, it looks kind of like a red block.
Yeah,
and,
exactly. Yeah,
it's got a transmission from a Dodge D50 or the Mitsubishi Mighty Max.
Okay, that's right. Yeah.
And it's not four-wheel drive.
So these motors only came in like a Japanese domestic market then?
I think they came in the Ford Rangers in the 80s.
Oh, did they? Yeah.
Version of them.
Okay, cool. Yeah. So you can crank them up a little bit, or you kind of just leave it stock?
No, I twiddled the pump a bit. It rolls a little coal.
There you go.
A douchebag, but I like it. Mileage-wise, it's better just to not roll smoke everywhere. So.
That is awesome, man. So yeah, really cool. I've never seen this in person, so it's pretty sweet. I see it on his. Check out Trevor's Instagram. The tag's up here. Yeah. All right. Well, there's also his other car. So we got his drift car over here. If you guys take a look, there's something coming out the hood, or lack of the hood, and that is a supercharger. So you guys may have seen this if you do follow him on Instagram. This is his drift car that he always has. He takes all to the Western Speedway drift events, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the setup on this. Alright guys, so this is Trevor's drift car. So it is a 740, it's a 1990, it's red, it actually looks like Miss Huff in some ways. But the big difference is under the hood here. This is a red block, it's a B230F motor. As you can see though, we got a supercharger on top of it, and it actually used to have a turbocharger, but now it's back to the strict supercharger setup. As you can see, this manifold here was... Trevor, you actually completely made this manifold yourself, didn't you? Yeah. It's
a universal kit from like Summit for V8.
Okay, sweet.
To do too.
Nice. It looks so funky. Like, it's pretty sweet looking.
I like Group A or Group B rally car stuff.
Yep, totally.
80s stuff.
That's like, I see like 40G headers that some guys do like that. They go up and back kind of.
Swoopy bananas.
Yeah. So tell us a little bit about the setup on this thing. I know there's a lot going on, but
Oh, it's like a casserole of nonsense.
Yeah, like I apologize for the video, guys. It may be a little dark here, but I'll try to get the most light that I can.
Yeah, filming conditions are not optimal.
Yeah, here we go.
3 lights.
Perfect.
It's just a stock B230F.
Yep.
With an RSI stage 3 cam and some valve springs in it.
A little bit of head porting.
Yep.
Yep.
Bit of head porting, ported intake, custom exhaust, obviously.
Yep.
And bless you, Jake. And then a Eaton M90 on top.
And this this Eaton M90 has an interesting pulley on it that makes a good amount of boost, I hear.
That's the party pulley.
Yeah, the party pulley, I like that.
Yeah.
There it is. Look how much belt you had to go for this, eh?
Oh man. Like,
Oh, it's crazy.
yeah, that's a tension off a Ford 5-liter.
There you go. There's just so much custom stuff going on. It's really cool.
What's up with the catch can setup?
I got a catch can for my catch can.
Bro!
It's got blow
Got some blow by for the blow by, jeez.
Yeah. The Supercharger was $100 and the motor was free. So
It's a budget setup at the end of the day, yeah.
And people are like, what happens when it rains? It's like, I spray water methanol at it too.
Yeah,
It's just
exactly.
more water.
More water, yeah. You just run more boost when it rains, yeah.
Yeah. Slows it down.
So it's super cool, guys. We're going to be seeing this at the track tomorrow. Hopefully partying with Jake and the boys. Alright guys, so we just arrived at Pumpkin Smash day 1. So we're at Western Speedway right now. I'm hanging out with Trevor here again, and we're gonna go for a rip in this car before anything goes wrong with it, because he's got a couple successful laps so far, and I guess Trevor's been having a decent amount of issues with this throughout the season, so we're gonna enjoy it while we can. So this is gonna be really fun. How much boost again? 20 pounds, something like that? Yeah. Sweet. Should party pretty hard. Hey guys, so I got my man Buzz Lightyear here. He's perfect. So what are you rocking today? Just a stock Volvo 240 with a manual transmission?
Pretty much a stock Volvo 240, dual sway bars, K-cam. It is an M47 5-speed.
Nice.
And it's a daily driver. So
It's, yeah, cut springs and nothing to it.
Keep her a little tame. But
how do you find the K-cam was on the stock ECU and stuff?
It loves it.
It loves it?
Yeah. It idles a little choppy in the cold, but
perfect.
Once it's warmed up, nice and smooth.
A little chop never hurt anybody.
Oh yeah, I love it.
So,
Yeah, so we got oil pressure, temp, all the basics, boost and wideband, RPM, hydro e-brake, very, very strong M46 transmission.
The unicorn.
Oh yeah, mega squirt. Coolest sounding red block I've ever heard. Oh, it sounds awesome. for taking me for a rip in his car. This car is really fucking dope. I like it. I think that is the coolest sounding red block motor setup I've ever heard. It's got good power. It feels like it has really nice linear power from the supercharger setup. And overall, it's a nice feeling car just by riding passenger in it. Nice creation.
It's a pleasant experience.
It is, indeed. Alright guys, so I'm in the place I like to be, in the driver's seat of a Volvo 740 turbo manual. And it's my good friend Eric here, so thank you Eric for letting me drive your car.
Yeah, just treat it like your own, but not too much.
yeah, it's not supposed to be a mishap replica.
No, it's still somewhat clean, so...
It needs a wash.
I mean, it's physically dirty, but at the same time.
Yeah. Alright, well, let's see how she goes. Alright guys, so that was really fun. I got to drift Eric's car there. It was just, you know, your basic turbo manual drift Volvo with the welded diff and some cut knuckles and stuff.
You just weren't that impressed because it wasn't mishap with an ITV.
Was it coilovers or cut springs?
Coilovers in front, cutties in the back.
Okay, sweet. It didn't feel too bad. It was pretty reasonable.
Yeah, no,
yeah.
It's
I just couldn't get it down into second gear on that sweeper corner there for some reason. Maybe it's just my shitty driving.